And let's get it going.
Rolling. Roll that one.
Y'all ready?
Jacob, I'm gonna be so bad at this.
I don't want to look down because I'm gonna have a double chin.
I'm not ready. I can't do this. Okay. What kind of makeup does a sad clown wear?
What?
Foundation. I can't do it.
Okay.
I'm gonna hold on. I'm gonna specify one more thing. Sorry. I literally just remembered this. You don't have to read them in order. You can go through the list of whatever one.
I'll forget which ones I haven't read
Okay.
yet.
I'm gonna do it in order. Let's do it.
I can't do this, you guys.
I don't mind camo print clothes. I just can't see myself wearing them. I can't look at you.
Guys, I laugh when I'm reading my own jokes. Hang on.
It's all good. Just take a little sip. Don't you dare make the noise. Oh, got a little Dougie hair on there.
Was everyone else this bad? Really? Okay. Did you hear about the restaurant on the moon? Great food, no atmosphere. I can't do it. I've already lost.
There are tears in my eyes. Clothing related typos. They're the best. This is so weird. I just want to laugh. I feel like very depressing right now.
Right? What do you call a crocodile with a GPS? A navigator.
Good. The furniture store keeps calling me. All I wanted was one night stand. My eyelashes are gonna fall off.
I already have an eye-watering problem. Oh. I can't. What does a cat do when it's mad?
Oh no. Not cats.
It has a hissy fit. These are the dumbest jokes.
Oh, God. Okay.
Not it.
I need a tissue. Okay. What's a crocodile's favorite drink? Gatorade. Get it? I literally have snot coming out of my nose. This is like not even funny. It's
No.
just like I can't be serious.
We both lost already. A dad. I can't.
Okay.
I try not to look at you, and it still makes it worse. Okay, a dad.
That's what she said.
Okay. A dad was washing his car with his son. The son then asked, "Should we use a sponge?"
Okay, that one took me a minute, but that's probably okay. What do you call what do you call a crazy spaceman? An astronut. Ow. Oh, I might have a heart attack, guys.
What do you call somebody with no body and no nose? Nobody knows.
I'm fine. I really thought I was going to get through this without laughing.
Too. We
Okay.
laughed at every joke.
Did you know the first French fries weren't actually cooked in France? They were cooked in Greece. Oh my gosh.
Justice is a dish best served cold. If it were warm, it would just be water.
I don't get that.
I don't either. That wasn't that funny.
That was a bad one.
Just ice.
Oh! Okay, well, I don't know. I don't know about that one. Just ice. Well, you had to say it like
But
that.
I didn't know that
Yeah,
was
I
the
know.
joke.
You're right. I get it. Oh, is it my turn?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. If okay, if a child stays up during nap time, are they guilty of resisting arrest?
Don't trust atoms. They make up everything.
That's true. Those little boogers are liars. As well as atoms, atoms. Okay. This is so weird. I ordered chicken. I ordered a chicken and an egg from Amazon. I'll let you know.
Which one comes
Is that
first?
funny? Yes. That should have been.
Is one of them prime?
I don't know. I guess we'll find out.
Because that one will come first. Michael asked me. I like how you used a real person. Michael asked me, "How do I look?" I said, "With your eyes."
What? What did the pirate say on his 80th birthday? I'm matey. I couldn't. I'm matey. How do you say that? I'm matey. I don't sound like a pirate though. Don't they just say arg? I don't get it.
I don't either.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah, that was good.
Why did the invisible man turn down the desk job? He couldn't see himself doing it.
Oh, that's good. Okay, this one I just realized, like, the joke when I was walking down the stairs, and Jacob explained it to me yesterday. Two guys walk into a bar. The third one ducks. Get it?
That's a good one. That's a
That's
good
it.
one.
That's all she wrote. Did we win?
Who won?
Shake hands, you know, you're both competitive sports.
My hands are sweaty. I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
I honestly don't know who won out of that.
I think we both lost.
I think we scored equal points.
I
Really?
think it's you. I think you're the one.
Really?
Wow.
Laugh at everything.
That's true. It was funny. That's
Now,
hard.
you wanna have your ASMR session?
No.
No, I can't do it. I laugh. We're doing ASMR now.
Oh my God.
That's what she said.
Anyways, you painted the wall there. Do you have rollers or
Trying to get some good footage for you.
I believe there's one extra roll.
because we have to paint
Just
two
Dark denim
more-
jeans.
Dark denim.
Everything except I think I have one roller. And
Yeah, is it on?
Yeah.
What size? Is it just the big one?
The three. Or
That's for you to you. You choose what you do with that.
normal size rollers.
That is so bad.
Do you need anything else from us?
No, we're good on those.
Do you have any jokes that you came up with on your own? That you'd like to
I'm
share?
not funny.
Any that's what she said jokes?
Those just come naturally. That's what she said.